It is stupidity, idiotism, foolishness for natural men to sit down on social media and be arguing spiritual things with your pokolo brain. A big head, Archbishop Benson in the house of blessed memory said, that has no brain is a load to the neck.
Oga, it is stupidity and idiotism for an old man like you to still be standing on that pulpit preaching under Bishop David Odipo Ministries. You don't tire. I've never supposed to go for that place. It's idiotism for you to remain there at your old age. You don't know. They are still using you at this age, paying you salary. One day they will retire you like a chicken. You go there. They take push Abi, you come up for the winners. Are you not ashamed? If a pastor under Living Faith Church, you are just there, at your work is at stake. One day they'll push you out, they'll sack 50 pastors, 1,000 pastors, they'll sack you, join them. It's idiotism for you to still be preaching at this your age, lying to people, deceiving people. I insult you, I pour you spit. This is how you brainwash your members. And the ones I normally sit on social media and I talk about religion. No, nothing happened to me. You are the idiot, Okpa. Old man like that, you get children like that, you get wife as you old rich. You see they preach for the altar. You see be slave for pastoral work. Are you supposed to put your own ministry if you don't be idiots? You're not used to get your own church. Are you is he me older than you? But see Ebuka Obi, young guy. He has one of the biggest camp center in Lagos here. You not gonna be the own camp center, I mean they do. Because they talk for years, it's dirty. People they laugh, say, hey, old man, that's dry. You're never doing well. Dried pastor. Without money, the thief for church still dry like this. Okpa.